I wired a 240 volts 20 amp circuit for a steam humidifier. The wiring diagram showed 4 wire connections L1, N, L2, G. However, when I got the unit the wiring was different and there are only 3 terminals L1, N/L2 and ground. What do I do with the white N wire now?
Welcome. My name is would be glad to assist. It sounds like the humidifier has an option of 2 different voltages. What is the make and model of the unit so that the specifications can be obtained to better assist? Let me know and we can continue, thanks.
It's an Aprilaire Model 800 steam humidifier. It can be wired for 120V, 208V or 240V. I want to wire for 240 volts and by default it's configured this way. Before I ordered the unit I reviewed the wiring diagram and it showed 3 terminals on the power terminal block L1 and an L2. However, there must have been a change to this and now there are only 2 terminals L1 and L2. My circuit is wired with 12/3 wire and a double 20 amp breaker. My assumption is I wire the unit G to G, L1 black hot and N, L2 red hot, but what do I do with the white wire? Just leave it covered and not connected to anything?
Okay, thanks. On your information, there is some type of selection inside the unit which sets it up for the different voltages. If it is definitely set for the 240 volts already, then you are correct with the statement. Ground to the ground, L1 will get the black from breaker and L2 will get the red from the breaker and then cap the white wire, it will not be connected. The N, L2 terminal serves both 120 volt and the 208, 240 power, and why they label it that way, using 120 it would get the white neutral wire and the black would go to L1. But in your case of 240, it now gets L1 power, L2 power only, no neutral white wire. Let me know anything further, thanks.
I'm assuming that the wiring on the breaker side stays intact. Red and black to each pole on the breaker, white to bar and to grounds.
Yes, that is correct, red and black on breaker, white to bar and ground to bar where grounds are in the panel. Some panels share the bar with grounds and whites, cap the white at the humidifier. This is so if you ever wish to change to 120, just a quick swap and you would be ready to go.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.